I didn't even record.
Are you serious? Again, Mom?
Again. So I'm recording now. So whoa. Okay, so what
Okay,
did
it's
you
not
dig
natu-
up? What is this again?
I believe it's the purple potato.
It's Japanese potato?
Japanese, yeah.
That is humongous.
It's so big, right?
About 12 pounds.
It was sticking out like this, you know, at the end. You see the tip right here out of the ground. And so
Well,
I was just curious.
I don't think we planted there, did we? Did we?
I just poked a little, like,
Okay.
what is that? A potato shoot in there.
That
and
is
then it
crazy.
just- over
That's
time,
massive.
Over time, it grew and grew.
About 12 pounds.
It's
Yeah.
heavy. My arm is hurting right now.
Okay, and that one is the others. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Todd, did you get the Todd again? Hi, Harvest. This is our own potato.
That is humongous.
I know.
Wow.
I'm sweating. It's super hot out.
Here.
Here, you go ahead. Hold it. There's ants.
Okay,
Be
eat it.
careful.
Let's see it. Face over here.
I wonder it's edible, Mom. It's so big.
Of course it's edible.
They're huge.
And we're gonna eat it.
I hope it's not too
It's bigger than your head, boy.
I know.
Longer than your head.
So here you go. If you ask how big do they get, that's the size right there.
Oh wow.
It could be this size to this size.
Yeah,
That
that is humongous.
size. So
All right, we're gonna eat them, right?
yeah. See the flesh is purple. See how purple it is? These are good.
It's white too. Oh.
Make into dessert, Mom.
Yeah.
Brown dessert with coconut milk and
That's
some.
right. That's cool.
Okay.
Well,
God bless us with all these foods.
That's right.
Organic.
mm-hmm. We'll have
Could
to
you help
do
Mommy
that.
with that?